Hello everyone, welcome to Ibrahim World. It's been a long time since I made videos, so let me make it up to you. Today I am going to build this thing. I'm going to show you how to make this. It is a it is an Arduino project where you can control this two-axis pen with two servo motors and move it up and down, kind of like a security camera. Let me show you. I will plug the Arduino into power and now it's on. Look at that. It's moving. Look at that. And if I press the button, the Arduino resets. What is? See, the Arduino resets. And I can move it any direction I want. See? And in this video, I am going to use this display, this little OLED display with this two-axis pan to make it show a face. Wait, let me open this and show you. Here it is. It is called the SSD1306 dual color OLED display. The reason I said dual color because you see this, you can kind of see this little line on the display. The pixels, the little lights on top of the line are yellow and on the bottom are blue. This is why it's called a dual color display, which is very good. And by the way, this is OLED. You can do anything with this. So let's begin. So in this project, we'll be using the Arduino UNO Rev3 or R3 in short. And don't think about this number, it's okay. Even if you have an Arduino board without this number, it will perform the same. We'll put it right here. Here's the little AMOLED display, the SSD1306 dual color display. You can see a line right here which tells yellow pixels up and blue pixels down. And please don't break this cable. If you break this cable, bye bye display. Here's the analog joystick. The reason I said analog is because it has two sliders called potentiometers. You can think of it like a throttle of an airplane. This potentiometer right here tells if the joystick is moving left or right, basically any direction, left or right only for this one. And this one tells if the joystick is moving up or down. And it also has a built-in button right here. You can kind of see it right here. And if you press the joystick like this, it makes the click sound, which will send a command through the last pin right here, which I'm touching. So these pins GND and VCC will GND and 5 volt will supply power to the joystick. VRX and VRY, which is written right here, will send commands to the Arduino, and the switch, the SW, is the built-in button. Put it right here. Here we have the breadboard. This breadboard is optional. You can use any breadboard you like. Small size, big size, medium size, and even ginormous ones. But I have this breadboard, so I'll be sticking to this one. And by the way guys, if you don't want to use a breadboard, it's okay, but you will have to cut some wires, which I will show you in a minute. Here's the two-axis span, which we will use to move stuff up and down, left and right with this. It has two little servos which can lift at least 9 grams, I think, because it says so right here. Maybe it could lift 9 grams, I think. This can move right, left, up and down. And here are the cables which will control the servos from the Arduino. Put right here. Here we have the jumper wires which will be used to connect the Arduino to these three devices. We'll put it right here. Drop die. Ha 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 ha. And here is the USB cable. This is also important. This is basically a USB A to USB B cable. You can use this cable on anything. Basically, you can use this on an Arduino or printer, anything which has this kind of port. And if you don't have this, look for a printer. If you have a printer, you can find this cable. Basically, this is called a printer port. And this is also a small size which comes with an Arduino UNO R3. I have this very long size cable. This is a printer cable. This was too small to be attached to a printer. Big, small, anything. The blue color determines the speed. This is blue color, it is a bit faster than the black color, but it won't be affected for the Arduino. That's only for printing. And now, we'll start building in 3, 2, 1. Snap!